Hey, welcome back, Black Magic TV, and we are back on the Dodge machine. I've done some stuff since the last shown. I had some help yesterday. Old Eric Myers helped me we got those painted black, those stands. We got the new seats in, looking good, all cleaned up, looks a lot better. We realized that this slant 6 model has like 0 floor space on this side, which is cool. I still need to finish fixing this side, but we got the hood most of the way stripped down. Little sanding there. I've been continuing on getting the roof. It's almost all the way there. And I got this fender on, and it's almost all the way welded on, so I'm going to start with that. I got the hinges painted. These were the hinges off the RV. The new door, I got the RV door wherever I stuck it at yesterday, right here. The new door, I was going to go ahead and strip them, but I decided to hold off because I want to get this thing mobile. So I'm going to start with finishing these welds. This normally would just have seam sealer, but I decided to weld it all up. I got some plug welds to do in here. So I need to take those hinges back off again, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. They're real weird because they like basically sit on this bar at the bottom. But this seam, I welded it all up instead of keeping it open. I'm gonna seam seal all this stuff real nice to make it disappear. I am gonna weld this seam up down here too to smooth it all out. And eventually I will get this welded on back there as well. It's kind of sketchy, honestly. Oh shit. Boom, shocky. Get a hammer. Hammer it flat, clamp it down, and plug weld it. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, you can't even see me on camera. Yeah. Woo wee. Burning, baby. Fixing where I fucking drilled right through the thing. Doinkied right through those parts. Remove the hinges. Not plug welding the best right now. Yeah, baby. A different hammer. Door skinning hammer. The homemade doinker. You can hammer it. You can dolly with it. Smoothing it out. Got him. See, when you got the lift, we just take her up. Then you have to get down on your knees. But when you got the van, you got to make sure you don't put it into the roof. Welding clamp. Clamp her down to hold it. Welder. Welded. Boom. Shucky like. Woo! Ow, 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 ow. Burn my arm, burn my arm, burn my arm. Shit in my shirt. Damn. Overhead weld. Catalina wine mixer. Fully welter-rated. All right. Poop brake. Grinding. Whoop. Boom. Yo ho. All right. Moving the camera. Grinding right through it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Boom. This is how we ghetto do it. We're not doing that. We're making it nice. Haha, that quick looks so much better. Darkness. Ow, shit. Playa. Beautiful refinished parts. Better go to my refinished bolt section. Oh, yeah. Well, god damn it. Yeah, that was a blast, dog. All right. Well, these were out of the van that I got the loaner parts from. And though they, by first glance, look the same, they are not. The radiator is a little off. So I'm going to build a bracket for this side because the other one is shot. But that one was super short too. So I've taken the old one, blasted it. It's back here. I blasted it clean. I got it etch primered, and I'll start getting it painted. And then that way it can go in, the radiator will bolt on that side. I'll make a bracket for the other side, and bada bing, bada boom. We are golden. I might honestly cut this old one down and make the bracket out of it to bring it over. I'm gonna see. But we made a lot of progress. So I'm gonna get this fender fit and finished up this week soon, because we're trying to get to this car show next weekend. We got 6 days. I got a windshield already. I need to order a gasket. I'm gonna get some epoxy primer sprayed on some of this bare metal in the next couple days. The door I didn't strip down at all, so I can just bolt it back in. But in here I'll have to get this epoxy primered. Everything's welded. I ground all the welds. The roof is almost stripped, but I might just epoxy it to the front part here, like right here. And then that way I can etch prime the rest for now while I'm continuing to strip the RV shit off. We're gonna get the visor back on, but I'm gonna put nut zerts in here so that little riv nuts, you get some good seam sealers. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Shout out to Eric for putting these seats in, and Jason Brunskill for helping out. And Mylan's been helping me. So thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time.